Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I just want to do an unboxing of this iPad that I got from Swappa. This is for a friend, but what this is an LTE model of the iPad 7th generation. So on Swappa this cost, so as you can see, this cost $310 total. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get. Alright, so we got some bags and packaging here. Okay, if you don't think you need grocery bags, they come in handy. So it looks like it didn't come with the box. We have on the top right here a charger, a 5-watt charger at that, so that's not very good. Especially for an iPad, that's probably not going to be sufficient. Well, you can say this is taped down very, very well. We got some more tape to undo here. So we can get this iPad out of here. Right. Some more tape right there. It's a weird box. I'm not sure what this box was for, but packaged very, very well. And more packaging. Sorry guys. There's no iPad here. It's just packaging. It's literally all it is. Just packaging. All right, on to like the third section of package. Okay, more packaging. Okay, and we finally reached the iPad. There it is. Okay. So we have our iPad 7th generation, so I believe this is a 10.2-inch display. We have the gold model here. You can see we have a little LTE strip right up there. iPad branding right there. Let's see if it has any juice in it here. Does it need to be charged? Oh, it actually has some charge in it. Cool. All right, we've come to the hello screen here. So we can press our home button here. United States, set up manually. Continue, set that up later. So it does have Touch ID. And we get light or dark mode. We'll go with light. Welcome to iPad. And there we are. So let's see what version we get on here. So it looks like we are on iOS 14.2 here. This is the 32 gig iPad 7th generation. Out of that we get 24.85 free. And this is a unlocked cellular model, so we can pop in any SIM card there and use that. Now, select carrier, AT&T. So can we use AT&T? Okay, so you can add an AT&T line. It may have an AT&T SIM card in there, but we should be able to pop any SIM card in there if we wanted to. So the iPad 7th generation came out back in 2019, was replaced by the 8th generation. The specs on this one came with iOS 13 upon launch, has an Apple A10 processor, M10 Motion coprocessor, has a quad-core processor, 3 gigs of RAM, came with either 32 or 128 gigs of storage. It is a 10.2-inch display at a resolution of 2160 by 1620. 264 ppi with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Does have stereo speakers on here. Does have a 1.2 megapixel camera up front, 720p HD, and on the rear an 8 megapixel camera. It does have a 32.4 watt hour battery and offers up to 10 hours of battery life. So the cellular model was a little bit more. Came out at $329. I think it was $450 for the cellular model, as it still is today. But yeah, so pretty good price for this, $310, in pretty good shape here. Of course, no box or anything like that. And the charger is not going to be sufficient for this, so we're going to have to get something else for this. But overall, it looks like it's in good shape. But anyway, just wanted to show you this real quick, this iPad 7th generation from Swappa. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.